We are live. Market update. We are having a very red day in the cryptocurrency market. We are having a very red week in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are currently dumping to gobbling town. It's safe to say the bear market rally is over. It's safe to say all coins are currently dumping aggressively to gobbling town. Now the $1 million question is, how low can we possibly go in this bear market? A lot of altcoins are having double-digit boards. A lot of altcoins are having double-digit losses across the board. Is the bottom in for these altcoins, or are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town? Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still holding the $27,000 region. Even though we have seen Bitcoin get to as low as $27,600, Bitcoin is at the critical level, guys. If we see Bitcoin going lower than $26,500, all hell might break loose for the altcoin market. We're taking a look at what's happening with Ethereum, still currently trading around $1,800. We're taking a look at the altcoin market, total crypto market, and we'll also be looking at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Liquidations in the last 24 hours have been increasing. More than 100,000 traders were liquidated in the last 24 hours. But right now, we are seeing the market settle down. Right now, we are seeing things come back to normal. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're joining the live stream right now, guys, don't forget to drop your questions in the live chat. By the end of the stream, we'll be going through those questions. Mohammed Anas, please buying zone for wave coins. We'll be taking a look at wave coins later. And this second time you're dropping this question on the live stream, I promise you today we'll take a look at wave and I'll be giving you on where you can buy, where's your buy zone. But first, let's take a look at the general crypto market. The last 1 week have seen all coins having double-digit losses. And right now, we might easily see them continue dumping to gobbling town. But if you're a long-term investor, if you are currently accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, right here in the bear market is where you want to do majority of your business. In the bear market, all coins are going to be dumping aggressively. That's to be expected. But we know that when the market comes back, these all coins can easily pump to higher prices, and that pump can be very, very quick. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still holding on strong around $27,000. But I don't think dump is over just yet. I don't think we'll still see Bitcoin pumping above $29,000 anytime soon. It can still go back to $29,000, but in the nearest future, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin heading back to as low as $25,000. A lot of altcoins are already setting new lows, going below where they were trading in March of 2023. Right now, Bitcoin is holding its dominance in the market, and from the $27,000 region, if Bitcoin will head down towards $25,000, we can easily see Bitcoin dump by around 10%. Bitcoin is still in a bear market, even though I believe we'll see Bitcoin trading around $40,000 maybe towards the end of this year. Right now, we are having a correction, and that correction can even take us maybe to as low as $24,000. When the coming days and the coming weeks, Bitcoin is going to be telling us the direction of the market. Now, liquidations in the last 24 hours have been increasing. A lot of traders have been betting that the market will be pumping to higher prices, and that has not been the case. The market was dumping aggressively yesterday. At some point in time in the last 24 hours, we saw liquidation data reaching around $250 million. But right now, only $132 million have been liquidated from traders in the last 24 hours. The largest liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $2.77 million. And Bitcoin has accounted for majority of those liquidations. Bitcoin accounting for around $31 million worth of liquidation. We have Ethereum, and Pepe is coming on at number 3. Pepe is also coming up at number 4. A lot of people are betting that we'll see all coins pumping to higher prices, but a lot of all those altcoins are liquidating traders right now deep in the bear market. So be very, very careful out there, guys. There's no guarantees that the dump is over. But remember, as we're dumping to gobbling town, at some point in time in the future, we are going to see green candles. At some point in time in the future, we're going to see the market pumping to higher prices. It is normal for us to see dumps in the market. That's what will make the market go to higher prices, even if we are still bullish. Now, taking a look at king of all coins in the market, Ethereum. Currently sitting around the $1,850 region. If we see Bitcoin losing key support levels, as we discussed yesterday, guys, we can also see Ethereum maybe dumping to lower prices. Hopefully, we'll find support at the $1,600 level. But for Ethereum to even get there, we might also see Ethereum dumping by around 10%. A lot of people have been talking about selling me and go away. We had a little discussion about selling me and go away, how the last 2 years, selling in May and going away has always been the good thing to do. In 2021, if you sold Ethereum in May and you went away, you would have gotten Ethereum sales around the $4,300 level. Even though we saw Ethereum getting to as high as $4,800, you basically just missed around a 10 to 20% move to the upside. In 2022, selling in May and going away would have proven to be a very, very wonderful decision, because after Ethereum got to as high as $3,500 in May, in April, we saw it dump into Goblin Town, and by May, Ethereum was already down 75%, getting to as low as $800. Now in 2023, yet again, Ethereum is trading around $2,000 in May. We'll sell the hype. This time, will it work? We'll sell May and go away work, because guys, if we see Ethereum dump into Goblin Town, hopefully we'll find support very, very quickly. If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around $350 billion. Yesterday was a very bloody day for the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, because we saw altcoins in the market having double-digit losses. A lot of altcoins dump aggressively to Goblin Town. We saw the altcoin market getting to as low as $344 billion. Altcoins can be very volatile in the bear market, that's to be expected. But right now, altcoins are giving back the gains we have made. Since the turn of the year, we saw the altcoin market rally from the $287 billion level, but we couldn't rally above that $407 billion region. This is the third time we're getting to that $407 billion region and getting rejected off that level. Let me take these lines off the chart. We got there in November of 2022. We got to the $407 billion region. We got rejected there. We also got there in February of 2023, got rejected there, and we've gotten there already in April of 2023. So the next time we get there, expect us to pump to higher prices. But right now, it seems we're heading back to Goblin Town. Hopefully, we'll see the total altcoin market finding support around the $325 billion region. If we find support there, that might still give us a support, and that might give us a base to maybe pump to higher prices. But from where we're currently trading right now at the $350 billion level, we can still see altcoins drop around 7 to 8% across the board. Let's take a look at an altcoin right now. Let's take a look at Wave. Mohammed Anas has been asking about Wave for quite a while. Let's take a look at what Wave is doing. An example of one altcoin that's seen huge dump in this bear market, guys. Remember, we're deep in the bear market, and this is exactly what you see happening in a bear market. Now, Wave has had a wonderful 2022. We saw Wave getting to new all-time highs in 2022. But that was the highest Wave could get to. It started dumping to Goblin Town aggressively, and from the all-time high Wave got to in 2022, by December of 2022, Wave was already trading at the $1.26 region. Wave was down around 97.97% in just 276 days. That's how volatile altcoins can be. And if you take a look at what Wave has done since the turn of the year, yes, we saw it pumping to higher prices. Let me put this chart on a daily time frame. Let's see exactly what Wave has been doing since the turn of the year. We saw Wave starting the year on a very bright note, 2023 at the $1.2 level. We have seen Wave get to as high as $3.3 in 2023. But more importantly, Wave got rejected at this crucial level when we broke down in November of 2022. You can see that Wave broke down from that level in November, and since then, we have not been able to reclaim that level, just like the altcoin market cap I showed you just some minutes ago. So a lot of altcoins in the market are looking like this. A lot of structures in the altcoin market is looking exactly like this. And right now, Wave has broken below key support level at the $1.8 region. In the coming days and in the coming weeks, if you're going to be holding Wave for the long haul, starting accumulating at the $1.5 level is not going to be a bad idea. We can easily see Wave dropping to new lows in this bear market. But remember, with the altcoin market, there are no guarantees. And if we go on the larger time frame to see what Wave has done throughout its existence, guys, Wave has even traded lower than the $1.5 region. The previous bear market saw Wave bottoming out around the $0.5 region. So we see Wave losing $1.2. There's still support levels waiting for us around the $0.94 level. Hopefully, Wave will find support there. But right now, long-term investors are still accumulating in this bear market, and Wave is at a crucial level. A lot of altcoins have the same silver structure in the market. The altcoin market has seen huge dumps gobbling down in the last few weeks. Dump to gobbling down, pump to the moon. If you're going to be in the crypto market for a long time, you're going to see a lot of dumps, but at the same time, you're going to see a lot of pumps to the upside. Now, let's take a look at other stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Trader spends $120,000 on gas buying $1,500 worth of a meme coin. The user spends an additional 76% of their total purchase price in gas fees on a single meme coin trade. Crazy things have been happening since when meme coin season started. As meme coins have been pumping to higher prices, we have even seen way outrageous things happening, and just heard of a trader that paid over 64 Ethereums to get a transaction go through. Very interesting. Be careful out there, guys. Anytime we see meme coin season, it has always been a telltale sign that will be dumping to gobbling town. And right now, maybe just maybe, we have started that dump back to gobbling town. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum's combined market cap, which sits around $761 billion. I'll be looking forward to seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum's market cap maybe finding support at the $724 billion region. But guys, it still means Bitcoin and Ethereum can still dump a further combined 5.4%. And knowing how volatile the market can be, these dumps can happen very quickly. Another key level we might find support. If we lose that level, we might see Bitcoin and Ethereum maybe having a 10 to a 12% drop across board. That doesn't mean our bullish momentum is dead. But remember, guys, in bear markets, all these rallies are designed to get you to buy at the top, to sell at the bottom. We have not really done any huge dump like that. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing since the 17th of March 2023, Bitcoin has been ranging from around the $27,000 level. Yes, we have seen it get to as high as $31,000. That's just 11% from where we were trading in March of 2023. We have also seen it drop by around 4%. So in the last 2 months, Bitcoin has been going sideways. At some point in time, we're going to choose a direction. It looks as if direction Bitcoin is choosing is us dumping to the downside. Let's take a look at some other charts in the market. This is the chart of the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap of all of crypto got to as high as $1.25 trillion. This is a very important figure. We have been looking forward to this level very well. We saw Bitcoin and Ethereum getting to as high as $2,000 and $25,000 respectively in August of 2022. But in 2023, reverse is the case. We saw Bitcoin taking the shine. We saw Ethereum taking the backseat. Even though Ethereum got to as high as $2,100 and Bitcoin got to as high as $31,000, total crypto market cap is still trading above $1 trillion, and it's the altcoin market that is actually taking majority of the hits. So I'll not be shocked to see us going back to test that $1 trillion support again. But for us to go back to that $1 trillion support, we might see some little dumps in the market. If you're going to be in the crypto market for a long time, a little dump in the market is not going to scare you. For us going back to the $1 trillion level, that will just require us to dump by around 9.71%. We have seen way bigger dumps in the market. Even in 2023, we have seen around a 20% dump in the general market in 21 days. And knowing how volatile the market can be, always remember that dumping to gobbling town is very easy, but anything that's making us to dump to gobbling town can also make us to pump to higher prices in the nearest future. But one thing that is holding us down right now, one thing that is stopping all coins from achieving their full potential zip in this bear market, guys, is Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance have been increasing since September of 2022. Slowly but surely, we saw Bitcoin dominance go from 38.92%, even getting to as high as 48.86%, rallying up by more than 25% in the last 229 days. A lot of people in the market are expecting Bitcoin dominance to continue going to higher prices, myself included. I still believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance pushing to the upside, maybe even getting to as high as 53%. But if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping in the market, that might mean some good news for all coins in the market, because history has shown us over time that anytime Bitcoin dominance is dumping has been a good time for the altcoin market. And even though we see Bitcoin dominance getting to this 53% region, maybe even getting to as high as 60%, eventually that capital is going to flow to the altcoin market. Eventually, all the markets will pump Bitcoin, Ethereum, all your altcoins. The only difference is that they pump at different times. So you want to pick a hustle, you want to pick where you'll be investing deep in the bear market and focus on it. Investing is a very, very long-term game. For you to survive, you have to play the long-term game. Let's take a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Coinbase executive visits UAE to test potential of strategic hub for international operations. I think the US right now is a little bit behind in terms of regulatory clarity, and some of the rhetoric from the top, said Brian Armstrong at Dubai FinTech Summit. We had some few weeks ago that Coinbase was starting an offshore exchange, so maybe this is part of plans of Coinbase going international, setting up shops in other countries. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, yes, we're seeing dumps to gobbling town, but in the last 60 days, Bitcoin is up over 37%. Bitcoin has been pumping well since the turn of the year. Ethereum is up 30% in the last 60 days, but we're seeing huge losses in the altcoin market in the last 7 days. XRP is down 7.9%. Cardano ADA is down 5%. Dogecoin is down 7%. Polygon Matic 7%. Solana went below $20 yesterday, and right now is down 5.39%. If you take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the market in the last 24 hours, in the gainer section, we have Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV is up 32% in the last 24 hours. Let's start $29. This is what a lot of altcoins in the market look like. Huge dump to the downside. But even though it's dumping to the downside, it's leading the gainers charts today. Lido DAO is up around 9.13%. Kava is up 8%, Bitcoin Cash 7%, Ethereum Classic is up 4% in the last 24 hours. In the loser section, a lot of altcoins are down bad. Woo Network is down 14% in the last 24 hours. Pepe is down 14%, Stacks is down 9%, Injective 9%, and Render token is down 7%. Let's even take a look at the Pepe US dollar price chart. What's Pepe doing? Pepe has been one of the revelations of this meme coin season. We've seen a lot of meme coins pumping to higher prices. Pepe, AI Dodge, a lot of altcoins in the last few days have been getting crazy pumps. But I warned you guys, we can't continue pumping to higher prices. A lot of these altcoins are just there to grab liquidity from little investors. And right now, we are seeing those altcoins dump back to gobbling town. Even though those dumps are not going to be very aggressive and very quick, it will not look as if we're dumping. It's when we're finished dumping, you look back and you realize, oh my God, that was actually the top. Pepe from the 19th of May 2023 rose up by more than 145x. That was just on git.io. A lot of people ran Pepe up by 1000x, 2000x, but it looks as if Pepe top has come in on the 5th of May 2023. Pepe right now from that top has dropped by around 63%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we can easily see Pepe dropping to lower prices. Guys, Pepe is just reminding me of Dogecoin in 2021. Let me pull up the Dogecoin US dollar price chart. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in 2021, they minted a lot of millionaires. But when they started dumping to gobbling town, a lot of people didn't believe that the dump was real, because it looked as if Dogecoin was going to head towards $1, just the way it looked as if Pepe is going to be pumping to higher prices. But after Dogecoin topped in the 6th of May 2021, take a look at when Pepe has popped. Pepe topped right now on the 5th of May 2023. So there's a lot of similarities between Pepe and Dogecoin, just from the standpoint that they topped almost at the same time. And over the next coming months, we saw Dogecoin dumping to gobbling town, and we saw it after like 75 days of topping. Dogecoin was down around 78%. If that same phenomenon is going to happen to Pepe, how low will Pepe go in the coming days and in the coming weeks? From the top where we have seen Pepe, a 75% dump will carry Pepe down to gobbling town. Some people are still buying the dip. Be careful out there, guys. Meme coins are very dangerous. Remember, they told you this coin doesn't have any utility. It was created as a tribute to the meme frog Pepe. Let's take a look at some other news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried urges court to dismiss charges. Lawyer representing Sam Bankman-Fried want all but 3 charges against him dismissed in a filing on the 8th of May. Canada's central banks ask citizens what they want in digital dollar. Canadians are being asked what futures they wish to see in a digital dollar, even though there are no plans yet to issue one. And Bittrex filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy just weeks after SEC charge. The firm estimated it had more than 100,000 creditors, between $500 million and $1 billion in assets, and between $500 million and $1 billion in liability. So is there more bad news for crypto in the coming days and the coming weeks? We're hearing of one exchange, one OG exchange, Bittrex, filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection under District of Delaware. The Altcoin Season Index has been one metric we have been following on this channel. The Altcoin Season Index right now is telling us we're heavily in Bitcoin season. And what does Bitcoin season mean? It means over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins. Just 2 altcoins have had positive returns in the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization over the last 90 days, better than Bitcoin. XRD and Stacks is up 134%. XRD is up 52% in the last 90 days. And history has shown us over time that anytime we're in Bitcoin season has always been good times to buy altcoins. Anytime we're in Bitcoin season has always been a smart time to start looking into the altcoin market, looking to invest for the long haul. On a monthly time frame, the altcoin season index is showing us a value of 20. So we are still in Bitcoin season, even on a monthly time frame. On a yearly time frame, we are in Bitcoin season. But the funny thing is that anytime we're in Bitcoin season, anytime that is the best time to buy altcoins, market participants always learn from the altcoin market, because the altcoin market would have been bleeding the goblin town, just like a lot of altcoins are down 99% from their all-time highs. So altcoins don't look attractive right now. But when we see all those altcoins giving us huge gains to the upside, when we see all those altcoins pumping aggressively to the upside, we'll see a lot of market participants coming by to buy altcoins in the future. So right now, just hold on, accumulate deep in the bear market, and when the bull market comes around, you'll be happy you made those accumulations. MakerDAO launches Spark Protocol, a new DeFi lending protocol solutions for their users. The initial iteration of Spark Protocol will function as a lending platform offering supply and borrowing functionalities for cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, ST Ethereum, DAI, and SDAI. The Crypto Unicorn Index is telling us we have 46 projects with a market capitalization of over $1 billion, guys. The more projects we have with a market cap of over $1 billion, the better the cryptocurrency market. At the top of the bull run, we had around 135 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. In this bear market rally, in May, on the 16th of April, we had around 56 projects. That's the highest we have seen since May of 2022. South Korean lawmakers allegedly cashed out while legislating on crypto. National Assembly member Kim Nam-kum had authority in handling laws related to digital assets in South Korea, reportedly backing a bill proposing a 20% crypto tax to be deferred. Crypto Unicorn Index has returned back to neutral. Guys, we might be seeing fear in the coming days and the coming weeks in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, we saw a huge dump in the altcoin market. Altcoins were dumping double digits. I saw a lot of altcoins lose 15% of their value, 20% of their value. If you go on a weekly time frame, most of the coins in the top 100 are down bad on a weekly time frame. Terra Classic is down 20% on a weekly time frame. Redux 19%, Optimism 17%, Immutable X 17%. A lot of altcoins have gotten double-digit losses just in the last 1 week. But I still believe we're closer to the bear market bottom than we are to the top, so we can easily start pumping to higher prices in the next few months. But right now, as we're seeing the market return to neutral, right now, as we're seeing fear slowly creep into the crypto market, let's not get scared. Let's get our investing hearts ongoing, because we always want to buy extreme fear and you want to sell extreme greed. And since the turn of the year, the crypto market has been experiencing some greed. So I'll not be shocked to see us head back to fear or maybe extreme fear in the coming days and in the coming weeks. More news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. China issued first arrest over fake news created with ChatGPT. Alleged fake news poster becomes the first person in China arrested for using alleged intelligence platform ChatGPT. Ordinance inscription approached 4.8 million, nearly doubling in just over a week. The BRC20 token frenzy has seen the number of ordinance inscription on the Bitcoin network soar by 92% in just 8 days. Unjustly enriched, Core Scientific knocks back $9.7 million claim from Celsius. Core Scientific has rejected a multi-million-dollar administrative claim from Celsius Network, arguing it owned even a higher amount from the crypto lender. Bankrupt Bitcoin mining firm Core Scientific has objected to paying a $4.7 million administrative claim put forward by crypto lender Celsius Network, leading to a battle between the firms over contractual obligations. Estonia squeezes out 400 crypto firms after new law. Estonia money laundering regulator highlighted the number of issues it found within local crypto firms, such as dodgy executives and nonsensical business plan. That's what happens when we have a bull market. A lot of projects are going to come. A lot of projects are going to set up shops. Almost 400 virtual asset service providers have voluntarily shut down or had their authorization revoked in Estonia, following the government recently enhanced terrorist financing prevention and anti-money laundering laws that came into effect in March. War on crypto. Newly filed letters lambast proposed SEC custody rules. Industry representatives have casted doubt on the legality and impact of United States security regulators' proposal to expand custody rules. A proposal by United States security regulators to tighten rules around crypto custody has been met with opposition from at least 2 proponents of the industry, according to recently filed letters. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see the market dumping to Goblin Town in the coming days and coming weeks? Or do you think we have enough juice to still pump to higher prices? Concern over banking crisis reaches levels unseen since 2008. According to recent polls from Gallup, nearly half of Americans are concerned about the safety of their money deposited with the banks. In the last 24 hours, the market has been dumping, even though we're seeing some altcoins showing no signs of life. Bitcoin Cash, for some weird reasons, is up 8.1% in the last 24 hours. This might just be the Bitcoin network effect, as Bitcoin SV2 is up over 29% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin SV is up 10% on a monthly time frame. Bitcoin Cash on a monthly time frame is down 1.6%, but the last 24 hours has seen Bitcoin Cash go up by around 8.1%. Let's take a look at the markets yet again. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin, the king of the market, trading around $27,700. On a longer time frame, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dumping back to Goblin Town. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin is doing on a weekly time frame. Guys, sometimes you have to put the charts on a weekly time frame to have a clearer perspective of what the market is doing. Most times, we're zoomed in on what is happening on our day-to-day. Bitcoin is currently going through another bear market. A lot of people in the market have been drawing resemblance with what Bitcoin is doing right now in 2023 and what it did in 2019. First, Bitcoin spent around 365 days for the bottom to come in for it in 2018. After the bottom came in for it, we had a relief rally to the upside. Right now, in 2023, before we got to the bottom for Bitcoin, Bitcoin spent around 365 days dumping to Goblin Town, and we're currently having a rally to the upside. But the funny thing is that in 2019, we saw that rally go up to the upside by 341%. I don't think Bitcoin is going to have a 300% pump in this bear market rally. If Bitcoin is going to give us a 300% pump, Bitcoin should be trading around $68,000. And right now, it doesn't look like Bitcoin is pumping that high. Bitcoin has gone up by around 100% since the turn of the year. So if we start dumping to Goblin Town, it might just be a little pullback on the later time frame. Bitcoin still looks very, very bullish. Using moving averages, this is Bitcoin 100 week moving average, the purple line, and it currently sits around $33,000. An argument can be made that Bitcoin might head towards that $33,000 region, but I'll not be shocked to still see us have that pullback towards $25,000. We spent a long time trading below $25,000 that it just makes so much sense for us to pull back at least one more time to the $25,000 level before we continue pumping to higher prices. Now, where is Bitcoin's 200-week moving average from where we're currently trading? Bitcoin's 200-week moving average sits around the $26,000 level. That's another level where Bitcoin might find support. And for the final one, Bitcoin's 300-week moving average, I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin visits that 300-week I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin visits that 300-week moving average yet again. It's currently sitting around $19,700. Drop your thoughts in the live chat. Do you think Bitcoin can go below $20,000 yet again? I remember when we were in the bull market, people were saying, this is the last time you see Bitcoin below $20,000. Guys, Bitcoin went below $20,000. And I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin at some point in time coming back to test that 300-week moving average, which currently sits around $19,700. More news stories happening in the crypto world. Paxful restart marketplace operation for the first time since April. Amidst the suspended service, Reid Yusuf said he had made his final act as CEO after helping unfreeze 88% of certain users' accounts. Crazy, but that's the situation as Paxful right now. State sponsors Chinese AI firm launches bot service to surpass ChatGPT. Chinese tech firm iFlyTech recently made waves with the launch of its Spark model, an AI system it says will surpass ChatGPT by the end of the year. The Chinese is always coming through with new technologies. Hopefully we'll see healthy competition in the market. Right now we're hearing news that China has their own version of ChatGPT. And Cito's DEX IDO oversubscribed after SEO mainnet launch. According to the developers, the fundraising goal of the initial DEX offering was reached in less than 1 minute. Very, very sought out after a lot of people wanted to get into that action. Aave version 3 launches on Ethereum Layer 2 network Metis. Ethereum Layer 2 protocol continued to attract the biggest players in the decentralized finance sector, with liquidity protocol Aave developing on scaling network Metis. Where is the market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? I'll not be shocked to see us having more pullback across the board. Guys, remember, in the bear market, if you're accumulating, don't go all in too quickly. The market can be very, very volatile. Let's go back to the live chart. Illy says, could you tell me if we could expect a recovery on SRM? Let's check what SRM is doing right now. Is SRM having a difficult time in the bear market, just like every other altcoin? Exactly, it is having a very terrible time in the bear market, dropping to new all-time lows right now. Will it have a recovery? I think so, guys. I don't think all coins are going to zero. Yes, at this point in time, it looks as if it's dumping to zero, but that's exactly what happened in the end of 2022. It looked as if it was dumping to zero, and guess what happened? We saw it pump up by around 298% to the upside. So even right now, even though we have set new lows, even though we have seen it dump to Goblin Town from the all-time high, we have seen Serum go around the $13.1 region in September of 2021. We have seen Serum dropping to new all-time low, losing around 99.37% of its value. I still believe in the altcoin market. Let's take a look at what Serum's market cap is right now, and I think I'm going to accumulate some right now as we're talking. Serum's market cap sits around the $22 million level, guys, but it has a fully diluted market cap of $867 million. The fully diluted market cap is pretty large. Only 3% of the maximum supply is in circulation. Where is Serum heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? I will not be shocked if we see us bottoming out in the nearest future. Where can you buy some Serum? Serum is even listed on Binance, Qcoin, Kraken. So Serum is still going to survive, guys. That's what happens in the bear market. All coins are known to dump aggressively to Goblin Town in the bear market, and it's not just Serum alone, so that you will not feel alone. A lot of altcoins in the market are having huge losses. See the last 1 week, Optimism is down 7%, Arbitrum 16%, Render Token 15%, Dash 13%, and the list go on. Even Pepe, the talk of the town, was down around 35% last night. Right now, Pepe is down 17%. But the altcoin season index is telling us right now it's a good time to accumulate altcoins. That's if you're going to be holding them for the long term. All coins are very volatile. If you're holding them for the long term, then you can start accumulating them. But if you're a short-term trader, if you're planning to hold them for 1 or 2 weeks, it will be smart for you to let the dust settle. Bitcoin is going to show us the way. The altcoin market is slowly but quietly dumping to Goblin Town. In tomorrow's live stream, we'll be taking a look at these charts to see where the altcoin market is heading. But I'll not be shocked to see fear return to the market tomorrow. Right now, the fear and greed index is still in neutral. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, extreme fear can easily return back to the cryptocurrency market. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining the live stream, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More videos are coming your way. Live streams every day, and more altcoins videos are on the boot. You can check out the channel for any video you're looking for. Remember, when it comes to investing, An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study and analyze before making any investment decision. See you guys in my next video. Bye.